Any startup journey is really challenging. And so if you've got organizations like UWE supporting especially the early part of that journey, it's a little bit of extra rocket fuel helping you cross the line. Celestial creates drone art, essentially complex animations of hundreds or thousands of drones that tell a story and hopefully engage an audience in the most powerful way possible. It was during 2020 that the Digital Innovation Fund was introduced to us, and we found the team incredibly helpful and supportive. The grant has allowed us to pursue technologies that were not core to our business, but the downstream effect of that is that those technologies give us competitive advantage. A really good example of that is what we're trying to achieve with the live control of drone swarms, the ability to control large numbers of aircraft live and in real time. One of the additional benefits of the funding that we received is the fact that it opened doors to other pools of research and talent, and that meant that we could delve into those talent pools that otherwise we wouldn't have even knew existed. Just 2.5 years ago, when we started to become commercially active, there were 4 of us. There are now close to 50 of us. We've now elbowed our way into the top 3 companies in the world doing what we do. I would say to anyone who wants to work with UWE, immediately go for it. There's a team at UWE that can help you navigate what can, at first glance, be a daunting and complex environment. So I would always say, push forward, look at those options, and trust in a funding partner to help you on the journey.